Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Stellenbosch FC have announced the signing of Tshegofatso Mabasa, Obamelo Kodisang and Musa Lebusa on short-term deals. The Cape Wineland side, who are also competing in the CAF Confederations Cup, are currently 14th in the DStv Premiership after a tough first half of the campaign. However, they have now boosted their squad ahead of the resumption of the league, with Mabasa and Kodisang arriving on loan, while Musa Lebusa joins as a free agent after terminating his contract with Sundowns. Here is what Stellenbosch FC said in a statement. Our club and the new head coach are extremely pleased to bring in players of the caliber of Mabasa, Kodisang and Lebusa, who we believe can play a significant role in helping us achieve our remaining target for this season. These signings arrived on short-term deals but represent a clear statement of our intent to improve this season, and we are confident that they possess the quality to make an immediate impact. These are players of international standard. All have represented South Africa, bringing an ingrained winning mentality and understanding of what it takes to compete at the highest level. That can only benefit our squad as we continually seek to raise our own standard and compete both domestically and on the continent. That's the statement from Stellenbosch FC. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Stellenbosch FC signing these three players for Gavin Hunt? Do you think that this will help them to compete in the continent and also to make sure that they survive in the Betway Premiership? I don't think that Stellenbosch would like to be relegated this season. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of these three signings? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.